Hi everybody, it's Maria Gould. I just got a brainstorm and I thought it would be really fun to get the healing circles back together again. So I would like to host the healing circles at the end of each month, and it will start on February 22nd. I'm going to hold it on Wednesdays in the morning from 9:30 to 12:30, and then we can have a quick lunch, shared lunch after that if you would like to bring a potluck. And not only to bring healing to anybody that has Reiki, no matter who your teacher was, you are open and welcomed in this circle. And we're going to sit and hold space and love each other and do healings and allow that Reiki energy to flow again and create community again. So I thought it might be cool to spread and share the love, not only in the Reiki circle, but I would love it if you would be willing to donate a little bit, whether it's a little bit of money or a small bag of cat food or dog food or something like that. I'm gonna be giving all proceeds to the BC SPCA probably, or another pet shelter of some sort. So I thought the monthly thing, we could help the animals as well. I know all of us love the animals, so I thought that would be a win-win for everybody. So just send me an email if you can make it, and if you plan on attending the February 22nd Reiki circle, 9:30 to 12:30, and a quick potluck after. And yeah, let me know who's coming. I would love to see you. Please share this with anybody that you know that does Reiki. Anybody with their Reiki training, level 1, whichever, is welcome to come and create community. And doesn't matter what teacher, it's all good. It's all good. Just bring your beautiful self and let's love and support each other and create community. All right? Okay, let me know if you can make it, and we'll do it once a month until probably April or May. I'll probably take the summer off and then hopefully start up in the fall. But I need enough people to come, right? So tell your friends, make sure you come, and it would be so awesome. Okay, I would love to see you all. All right, have a big, wonderful day. Great to see you. Bye-bye.